Hi, I'm Tara. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be creating a vision board for 2023. However, if you happen upon this video in years to come, you're still going to be able to get some benefit from this. So back in the day, and even last year, my vision board, I used magazines to cut out pictures and words and things that I wanted to focus on and inspire me for the upcoming year. Just even words like blessed and thankful and grateful, and then for traveling, if I had specific places like a beach I wanted to go to, I would cut out a picture of a beach and things like that. But today I'm going to be showing you how to create something similar using Cricut Design Space. So we're going to hop in right now. Okay, so we are in Cricut Design Space, and I've already got everything laid out for my vision board, but I do want to show you how to create your own. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click into images. We're just going to select about people, and we'll type in families, or click on families, because that may be something that's really important to you. Or sayings. Oh my gosh, look at this family. How cute. Sorry girls, my heart belongs to my mommy. Welcome to our beautiful chaos. We are not half or step. We are family. So just going through and looking and seeing things that you feel like represent you and your life. This is a nice one. Together we make a family. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to go up to this little family here, and I'm going to add to canvas. And let me zoom out a little bit here. Okay. So this is all my stuff that I'm using for my vision board. And then this right here is my examples to kind of show you and help you along the way. Okay, I'm going to zoom back in now that I've got that downsized. Okay. So we are going to make these into print and cut. That's what I'm going to show you how to do. So you'll simply just have to print these out onto your printer that's hooked up to your laptop or device, mobile device, however you're going about this. This is something that you cannot do with the Joy. However, if you only have the Joy, you just go up in the top toolbar, and where you have the option of different machines, go ahead and select one of the different machines that can explore. I clicked on explore, and so I said explore. That can do print then cut, and once you actually go to print this, you're still not going to have to use your machine, so you should be good to go. So if you have a Joy, just go up to the top and select another machine when you're in this screen on the canvas. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the toolbar, and I'm going to select on a different color. Okay, so this is all one image, so this is not ungroupable, so I can't like make them all different colors, but I can change the color of the whole group. So I had like a theme of colors that I had going on. As you can see right here, like my palette that I had. For this example, I'm going to make everything like more of a bright color so it stands out. So we'll do red. So I'm going to have the family be red. But then in this one, as you can see, there's different layers. We can change them to different colors. So I'm going to click on the heart in the layers panel, and I'm going to change that to red. And then I'm going to click on together. What other color are we going to do? How about we do a bright blue? Okay. And then I can just leave we make a family black. So now you're going to select over all of that. You're going to go up to the operations panel, and you're going to click on print and cut. Now, if you left this in joy, you would not even see a print and cut option. So if you're stuck and you're not seeing that print and cut, make sure you go up to the top toolbar and make sure the machine you have selected is one that does have the option to print and cut, even if you don't own that machine. And then you're going to hit print and cut. And you're going to hit flatten. So if you just hit print and cut, it's going to keep all of the items separate in different layers. When they're in different layers, when you hit flatten, it's going to put them all together. Or you can simply click on the image and then click flatten, which right now it's not letting me click flatten on this image for some reason. So I'm going to go up to the top, hit print and cut, and we're good to go. That one doesn't have multiple layers, so we don't have to hit flatten. And then what you'll do is you'll just continue to search for different sayings and different images that represent you and your life and your vision for 2023 or the year ahead whenever you happen to be watching this. So that's how you do it in Cricut Design Space. And then you're just going to go ahead and click and make it. And this is part of the process too, is, okay, so this is showing all of my stuff. I'm going to go back and show you how to organize. So we're going to hide these. I'm going to hide that. And I'm going to hide this one. And we're going to go to make it. And I'm going to show you my vision board. So when you go to make it, it's just going to kind of put everything wherever it wants to fit as much as it can. And what you can do is on this mat, in this make it screen where it shows the mat, you can move things around to wherever, whatever order you would like them to be in. And then that's how it's going to print out. So however you want your board, your vision board to look, and wherever you want your specific items, you can move those all around on the screen. And if you come to this and you're like, oh, I didn't add enough images, you are going to have to start over again. So if you pop into it and you're like, oh, no, this is not enough images, don't start moving it around, because as soon as you exit back out of this screen, then you're going to have to redo the section that you're in right here. You'll have to put the layout in once again. As soon as you exit out of it, it's kind of like restarting, refreshing. So you just, move everything around until you get it to where you would like it. And then just go ahead and hit continue, and that's going to ask you to send to printer. So you don't have to connect to anything, because all we're doing at this point is sending it to the printer. And then you're going to want to click off of add bleed, because we're not going to cut anything. And then just go ahead and hit print. And it's just as simple as that, just printing out on your printer, and the little box that comes around the print and cut, I feel like looks like an actual frame. So you actually have its own little frame that you don't have to add a frame, but if you don't like that black box, you could always cut it out, trim it out, or you could take little embellishments like pom-poms, little paper flowers or whatever, and make your own little frame and border around it. And then I also used a piece of cardstock and I glued it with my Elmer's glue sticks. I have tons of Elmer's glue sticks to the back. So I will try and link in the description some of my favorite glue sticks to use also. So hopefully this has been helpful. Hopefully this has helped inspire you to create a vision for the upcoming year. I really believe that what we focus on is what we draw to us. I believe in like the word manifesting. So like what you put out is what you're pulling into your life. No matter what your creed or background is, whether you have religious beliefs or not, I really believe that anyone and everyone, what we put out is what we are drawing to us. So I am a Christian, and it is backed up in scripture for my faith, with life and death is in the power of the tongue, which is basically like what we are speaking out, we are pulling into our life. And it's just something that I really believe in. I believe that what we set our eyes on, what we set our minds on, what we speak out is really genuinely what we're pulling into our life. So I hope that you take this time to really set a vision. You know, the last few years have been rough on everyone in lots of ways, and just having our minds to focus on something that's positive, and having dreams and goals and just words of affirmation. Like, I even just have cherish every moment on there to just remind me to literally just cherish every moment. I really hope this has been beneficial. If it has at any point, please give it a like. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel for future crafting tutorials and getting to know me better. And thank you so much for joining me. And as always, I ask you to go and check out another one of my videos. Thank you.